Hey there, eco warriors. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's close to my heart: eco friendly laundry hacks. If you're like me and want to say goodbye to dryer sheets for good, then keep watching. First off, let's talk dryer sheets. These little sheets might smell nice, but they are packed with chemicals and single use plastics that are terrible for the environment. But don't worry, I've got some awesome alternatives that'll leave your clothes fresh and the planet happy. One of my favorite swaps is wool dryer balls. They're made from natural materials, reduce drying time, and can be used over and over again. Just toss them in with your laundry and you're good to go. Plus, you can add a few drops of essential oil to give your clothes a pleasant scent. Now let's talk about fabric softeners. Instead of those chemical-laden liquids, try using vinegar. Yes, plain old white vinegar. It's a natural fabric softener and it helps to remove detergent residue. Just add half a cup to the rinse cycle and your clothes will come out soft and clean. Speaking of detergent, did you know that many of them contain harmful phosphates and synthetic fragrances? Switch to eco-friendly brands that use natural ingredients. Or better yet, make your own. All you need is some baking soda, washing soda, and Castile soap. Mix them together and you've got a powerful natural detergent. Let's move on to drying those clothes. If you can, try line drying your laundry. It's the most eco-friendly method and it's gentle on your clothes. If you don't have outdoor space, no worries. An indoor drying rack works just as well. Finally, one of my favorite hacks: skipping the iron. Who has time for that, right? Instead, use a spray bottle filled with water and a few drops of essential oil. Lightly mist your clothes and smooth out the wrinkles with your hands. Quick, easy, and chemical free. That's it for today's eco-friendly laundry hacks. Remember, small changes in your laundry routine can make a big difference for our planet. So say goodbye to dryer sheets and hello to a more sustainable laundry day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco tips.